In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo in Framer. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to get your logo showing correctly on your project. This is especially useful if you're customizing a site for a brand or client and you want their logo to appear consistently across pages, previews, and the browser tab. First, open your browser and go to the Framer website. Sign into your Framer account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, you should see your list of projects or your recent workspace. Take a moment to locate the project where you want to add the logo. Click on that project to open it. With your project open, look for the project options or toolbar at the top of the interface. Here you'll find a button or tab labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where Framer keeps all the configuration options for your project, including site information, domains, and of course your logo and other branding assets. Inside the settings area, you'll see several sections in the sidebar or across the top. Find and click on the section called Details. This is usually where you can edit the project name, description, and visual identity elements. The Details section is important because the logo you set here often appears in places like your published site's favicon, social previews, or within the Framer workspace as the main project image. Once you're in the Details section, look for an option that says Upload Image. This is the button you'll use to upload your logo file. Before you click it, make sure you already have your logo prepared on your computer, ideally as a high-quality PNG or SVG with a transparent background so it looks clean on different backgrounds. Now, click on Upload Image. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your logo file is saved, select the correct file, and confirm the upload. Framer will process the image and display a preview so you can see how it looks. If the logo doesn't appear the way you expect, you can always replace it by clicking the upload option again and choosing a different